What's going on, pure structure traders and YouTube, and welcome back to another trading video with us. In today's video, we're going to be touching on what traders can use if they don't have capital to trade. So as everybody may know, I'm a futures trader and also mentor that helps traders learn to trade the stock markets or futures markets profitably. But it's going to be very hard to do this if traders don't necessarily have the capital or the money to put up to trade, right? So there are some other options that we're going to be going over for you guys today that will help you guys get the capital needed to trade, or at least give you guys the opportunity to trade accounts from sizes of 10, 25, 50, 100,000, 200,000, $300,000 accounts that these companies will allow you to trade if you pass their rules. Now, what are trading combines? So a trading combine is an evaluation program, in this case for futures traders, that gives you an opportunity to test your skills in a simulated market. Now, if you're able to pass their rules and their objectives, you then will move on to achieve and be given a funded account, right? And this account again can go from 10, 20, 25, 50, 100,000, 200,000, 300,000. And a lot of these trading combines will allow you to have multiple accounts. It will help you spread the risk out amongst multiple accounts instead of using just one account or your own money. So in today's video, I'm going to go over 3 of the top trading combines that I've seen, and 2 of them in which I've used, one of them which I still use presently. I'm going to be going over. That's the first one I'll go over, and then the other 2 we'll go over as other options for you guys as well. So let's start with one of the very first trading combines that I think would be very good for you guys. So pulling this up for you guys here, we're going to start with Apex Trading Combine. So if you go to the top here, you'll see if you go onto this website, Apex Trading, you'll see they even have an 80% off flash sale going on. They do a lot of this, so definitely one of the top ones I would want you guys to try to consider. But here they use a platform called Ninja Trader. You can also use a Sierra Charts platform, and I believe you can use other platforms with this, but you'll have to just kind of set that up, and they have people there that can help you do that as well. But if you scroll down, you'll see that they have accounts that you can work towards 25,000, 50,000, 75,000, right? And you'll see as you look at these 25,000, they give you opportunity to trade 4 contracts on the regular E-mini S&P 500, or if you're going to do micros, and if you don't know what micros are, we'll do another video for you guys, but basically micros are going to be where you can trade S&P 500 on a smaller scale. So if you trade the E-minis, it's $12.50 per tick, and if you trade the micros, I believe like it may be somewhere around like a $1.25 or $1.50 or $2. I don't exactly know what it is exactly, but they basically cut it down where it's a lot cheaper to trade it, right? So if you don't know what that is, we'll make another video for you guys so you guys understand what micros are. But again, moving over here, they'll have a profit goal for you guys if you guys can hit 1,500, and you got to be trading, I believe, up to about 10 days or 11 days. And if you could trade up to those 10 or 11 days, it doesn't mean you have to pass it by those specific days, but you have to be trading at least for about 10 days. And then from there, if you do pass it, anytime after that 10 days, they'll go ahead and fund you with an account. All right, so in this case, trailing threshold, basically you can't lose more than $1,500, at least in the specific day. And again, you can see in this $50,000 account, kind of similar. They allow you to trade up to 10 contracts on a regular and 100 micros, or 100 contracts on a micros, right? Profit goal 3,000, trading threshold 2,500. You got to follow these rules. Make sure you're not losing more than $2,500 within that same day period, right? And again, this here is important because for traders who have the problem with over trading, these rules are going to help you stay in line, right? I definitely would recommend it for those who are starting out. And also, for those who have been in the game for a long period of time, it gives you a lot of opportunity here as a trader and to have multiple accounts. But for those who are starting out who don't want to risk their own money, this is definitely an option or a way to go. Again, you'll see down here the monthly that you'll have to pay 147, 167, but just note they always have flash sales, which if we scroll back up, 80% off. So I think that brings it down to like maybe 34 or $39 that you're paying out a month if you use these coupon codes or their flash sales. So it makes it a lot cheaper to try it out. And I believe if you have a funded account, I believe it's somewhere around 92 or $93 a month if you do have a paid account with them. So very good options for you guys here. First one is going to be Apex Trading. You can go up to 100, 150, 250,000, 300K full account, right? And they also have other options for you, reset options there, and 100K static account available. So if you guys go on to Apex funding.com, you can go ahead and read over their rules and go over it a little bit more if you guys want to learn a little bit more. Option number 2 for you guys is going to be earn to trade, right? So we'll pull this up here real quickly. Oh, shucks. So earn to trade, I've never personally used. I've seen a couple other traders use this, and you can use it with multiple different platforms as well. I believe they have Ninja Trader. You can use it with Sierra, I believe, as well. But if you go on to earntotrade.com, you can see that they'll give you again another test that you'll have to pass. This one is a little bit different as you have the ability to scale up, right? You can see evaluation accounts, junior live sim accounts, junior live accounts, intermediate live accounts, advanced accounts. And I believe you could scale up here from a low of 25,000 to 50 to 100,000, 200,000. It basically gives you everything, no longer locked into one account size. Traders, have a career path that they go about 25, 50,000 and get funded up to 200 or 400,000 respectively as you grow, right? So this is another good option. If you scroll down here, it gives you what their profit goals are, and your drawdown, your daily loss limits, the cost for it, right? It used to be 150, right, for 25,000. Now it's $120 a month, right? If you go for 50,000, may even be a little bit cheaper. Here you can see 199, now it's 109, right? Up to 6 contracts. So if you read over the rules, the regulations, and what you got to do, this is another good option for you guys if you don't have capital or money to put up. Go ahead and try out Earn to Trade as a futures trader. Last but not least, we're going to go over one more, which is Topstep Combine, right? So let's go ahead and pull this up. This was one of the very first ones that I ended up using as a trader, right? As it was one of the first combines that I found out about when I was trading and I was learning, right? So basically here you're going to see that you can earn funding by passing the trading combine. Very simple. Same thing we've been going over, right? Prove profitability, manage risk, start earning as you're trading. Basically, you scroll down here, you're going to be able to learn how to do that, what the requirements are, right? Combine parameters, steps 1, step 2. I believe in Top Step Trader, when I did it, they have 2 steps here you got to pass. So you pass one and then you got to pass another. Apex only has a basic 1 step. Once you pass it, then you get funded, right? This one takes you a little bit longer. That's why I think I would prefer Apex over this, but you can try it out for you guys, whatever works best for you guys. They give you multiple options, in terms of platforms you can use. Top Step Trader has their own platform that they can give you, Ninja Trader or Quantower, and you can go down and see they have Sierra charts that you can use as well, right? As you scroll down, it's going to also tell you what a trading combine is and the products that they offer, so you can go over that, right? And again, as you scroll back up, it teaches you how to earn funding but here it breaks it down for you, right? A trading combine is an experimental learning and evaluation program for future traders. Traders grow and test their skills in simulated markets, kind of what we went over, and earn funding while achieving certain trading objectives. While earning a funded account is one possible goal, again, the discipline and habits promoted by the trading combine benefit traders of all experience levels, right? So again, here they break it down for you guys, the importance and the benefits of having a trading combine, or at least putting yourself in a position where you can earn funding this type of way, right? And it also will prevent you from blowing your own money, right? So some traders put up 10, 20, $30,000, and if you don't know how to trade, I guarantee you're going to be losing that money very quickly, right? So here are some options you guys can use in terms of helping you guys fund an account or giving you guys the capital needed to do that. Alright guys, but that wraps it up. Again, I hope you guys like the videos and the content we're putting out. If you guys do, make sure you guys smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions you guys got, pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Stay tuned. We're going to be putting out another video for you guys this week and the weeks to come. You guys take care. Have a great night.